Hi everybody, we're back with another very quick Chinese diesel heater video. And today we're going to cover setting the clock on this blue controller here. It's very easy, it takes about a minute to do. So all you have to do is press this button here and it takes you onto the clock. And then let's pretend it's 6:45 p.m. So it's a 12-hour clock, so we need to find 1. And then press OK. And we're going for 24-hour clock. 6 o'clock is 18, so down to 18, and then OK, and then 45 will go down to 4, OK, and then just press this, it should be 5. Oh no, go down up to 5, OK, and that takes you to the timer. We're not going to set the timer in this video, we're going to do a whole nother video on that because there's 3 different timers to set and it's going to take a few minutes to do that one. So we just press this button, keep pressing it, it takes you back to the main screen, and then you're done. Hope you all found it helpful. If you did, please click subscribe, click like, and don't forget to leave a comment below, and we'll see you next time.
Now then, if you'd like to be in with a chance of winning the heater featured in this video, head on over to our Patreon page where for a measly £3 a month you can be entered into a prize draw and potentially win high value items like this Vivo all-in-one heater or other such like. We won't be giving away these big items every month, but there will always be something going, and other great perks are in the works, so why not hop on board? We are Van Life UK, a complete survivor's guide. Please subscribe.